magandang gabi po para sa inyong lahat. Sa gabing ito, pag-uusapan po natin kung ano nga ba ang meaning ng importance of ICT in the 21st century. Importance of ICT in the 21st century. Job opportunities and digital skills. Acquiring these skills become essential for individuals navigating the contemporary job market. And healthcare advisement. ICT plays a crucial role in improving healthcare delivery efficiency and potential outcome. There is some innovation in entrepreneurship, flexibility of digital tools and platform benefits ground for the startup of a small business to big. Education and knowledge skills. The provides of access to wealth of information, establishing reserve learning opportunities, breaking down tradition barriers, and promoting lifelong learning. Connectivity and globalize. The connectivity is indispensable for internal trades, culture of engage and collaborate problem solving, thereby contributing substantially to a process of globalization. In the essential of significance of ICT in the 21st century, rise of transformative impact of